Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and we are back with Slime Time Saturday on a Monday. Sorry about that. But today I'm going to be showing you how to potentially or possibly fix your slime. So we got the slime right here. Mine's a beautiful pink with rainbow sprinkles. I think I tried to, oh, hey Bailey.
What did you expect?
I didn't think you'd be here.
That's kind of insulting.
But
Okay.
anyways, guys, I tried to upload the video with this. I don't know if I ever did or not, but I was using this to represent the birthday cake icing, classic pink with
I think
rainbow
we might
sprinkles.
did
That might have
because
been classic
I
dough.
watched it on YouTube. Yeah, we
You
did. Yeah, we
I
posted
don't
it.
know about that.
We
You might have saw it on your iPad, but
No, I watched
it
on
was
TV.
because it was either right after or right before my birthday. And so I just felt in the mood. But as you can see, I'll just submerge my finger. It is very goopy, and it will not stop sticking. So I wouldn't try, Bailey. So we got that. We got some white Elmer's school glue, a
'Cause we
big
might need
container of it. It's not completely full. It's not like that much missing. We got thick and rich, creamy Barbasol Original. And we have the slime activator pack. You can honestly choose any activator you want, just plain activator, one of these. But to match our theme, just to make sure, I used the same activator last time I made it, confetti slime activator.
It's right there.
So, but we have all of it. Let me just tear this open really quick.
Guys, she has really sharp nails.
Hold on.
You would not
I
want to
used
get
this
near
to scrape
her.
the slime out.
You would not want to get near her. She might scratch you.
Perfect. I got a little slime on there though. Scrape this off.
Guys, she's messy.
I am kind of, but I try and be the clean one.
She's a klutz.
Stop exposing me on YouTube.
What? YouTube's fun.
YouTube is fun unless you get insulted on it.
I get salted. You get salted at least.
I'm trying to get this guy. Sorry about that.
My sister gets insulted on YouTube a lot.
No, I don't. Quit it. Oh, you got
quit.
it open? We can get our activator when we need it. So guys, let's go ahead and start. I'm thinking what we need first is the activator. So let's kind of play around with it with the knife just to make sure that
Guys, she's playing
It's
with
okay.
a knife. Do never do
don't
this.
play with knives. I'm like twisting around in the slime itself.
But guys, I would recommend
Okay,
using
I'm
a
gonna get
spoon.
a spoon. Just we had plastic knives and that would work good. So
Guys, if you guys are young, or if you guys are 11, I don't care. You guys just have to use a spoon. We are just using this because we don't have that much of.
oh, I'm excited for the crunchy slime activator. I'll make sure to upload a video of us using all of these
I'm
activators.
gonna use it.
Luckily, it comes with 2 confetti slime activators, so perfect. We got a confetti slime activator. We might have to use the whole thing. We might not. We're just gonna see how much we need. So
I'm
let's open this
mixing
up.
it.
Of course, it is sealed. By the way, guys, I know this whole coronavirus thing is kind of stressful. Just we can go through it together, as I said in another video.
Because we're healthy.
We make sure still to distance while doing that. Look how pretty that activator is. Bailey, stop. Stop, you just slung it everywhere. No.
Yes.
No.
Mm.
I think a little bit of activator could definitely fix
I
this up.
bust my
I
chin
put-
open.
Yeah, she did, on the steps, trying to come up after me. And then she started screaming, so I had to very quickly check on Pascal, and I raced down the stairs because of it.
She cares
So
about
guys,
me.
we are using a paper plate,
But
by
she
the way.
doesn't that much.
Bailey. This is way too goopy. We're gonna have to thicken it up with maybe a little bit more glue. And guys, this isn't because we made the slime wrong. It's just because I made it so long ago. It kind of messed up a little.
Okay, guys, this does not work.
By
on
the
your
way,
slime. You don't have
the
to use
confetti
confetti
activator.
activator.
Make so confetti activator and normal activator are the same thing, except they have confetti mixed in the confetti activator. It's kind of slimy.
Well,
I mean, I could fix it right now if I wanted to, but I really don't feel like getting messy. So guys, we're gonna mix it a little more. It's a little thicker. I'm gonna shush Bailey. I'm gonna
I
screw
just
on the top.
whispered to her that she's dumb on YouTube.
I am not. Watch my channel. How won't this come off? Does it screw?
I think.
Oh gosh, I did.
Hey, can I do a little? Just a little.
No, Bailey. Fine. You can only go like. Hey, stop!
Guys, I did it.
That might have been a little much.
No, because it's
I'm not gonna be able to mix it, so yeah.
Guys, she's kind of quite just like I already told you.
She bullies me.
No, I don't, guys. You guys should follow my channel.
Hey Bailey, could you go in, try and find the red food coloring?
I don't know what it is. And
Look
also
in that
ran out of
drawer.
all of them.
We couldn't have ran out, could we? Daddy, do you know where the red food dye is? I kind of need it.
But if you know,
I think it's in that drawer. So guys, just
What
add
drawer?
shaving cream. It has really added a difference. It's just a little sticky. That one over there.
this one here,
No, that one over there.
over here.
Yeah, one of those two by the oven. But anyways, guys, shaving cream adds a difference on camera. It looks a lot whiter than it actually is. It's a pretty pale pink. So that's why I'm going to
Guys,
try
it's
and find
not
some
pale.
food coloring. It is pale. That's why it looks white on camera. It's so much better.
White.
Than
Pale means white.
Pale
guys.
doesn't mean white. It means like a lighter version of that one
Wait,
color.
Sissy, while you're doing the slime, can I show them all the other types of activators?
Sure.
I don't know what happened.
I'm digging in.
Such a beautiful slime. The
We have
more I mess with it, the
crunchy
better it
activator.
becomes. Billy, you don't have to show it. Stop.
What's Sissy? They need to see it.
Not
Yeah,
that
it's
close.
blue.
Blues, that's not gonna work.
Here. Glow in the dark.
Oh, Dad, could you get me some red paint? Guys, if you don't have food coloring, adding a little bit of paint will definitely make a difference. That is a hack.
And we do
I've
have
done it before. And
metallic.
it really, and the slime I made turned out amazing. It is my favorite slime now. It's a bright yellow one. Actually, I'll show it in a minute. It is based on cupcake frosting. The bright yellow cupcake frosting with the rainbow sprinkles in it.
This is also one.
This is based off of cake icing. My favorite slime is based off cupcake icing, but it doesn't stick except for its glitter. That's why I had glitter all over my
Guys,
hands.
that was my mom's finger pointing at it.
Do it again, Mom. Mom, do it again.
No, guys, that was me. I was just joking.
That's what I thought.
Yeah.
That's why I wanted her to do it again. So guys,
I'll
I'm
just
trying to
do
get
it.
as much slime as I can to not be sticky.
So then they couldn't see my armpit. I did this.
They can see that it's a super tiny finger, Bailey.
No, they can't. Because they think it's the liquid camera.
So this is not so sticky at all anymore. I think we might need to add just like a pea bit of activator.
I could have opened that thing.
Just a pea little bit. Pop.
Guys, how's not a little piece?
Little pea. Well, people,
Guys, look at my eyes.
I want this to be more of a stretchy slime than a thicker slime, cause I've done thick slimes. I'm really good at making them. But I want kind of a stretchy slime that does like this, but isn't sticky and messy and all over the place.
Let me tell you guys what the packaging looks like of the confetti activator. Dun, dun, dun,
It's very beautiful, actually. I love it. They should make a clear slime activator. It'd be really hard to make clear, though. You just have to be, like, very dissolved, so then it can make the slime clear. But clear glue is more the type. Very
This is a
crunchy.
bigger
and very
bottle.
satisfying.
If we need it, yes. Go in there. And let me show you them one more time, so if you guys forget, you guys will know. Crunchy.
Bailey, stop. You're doing way too close up.
Metallic.
Bailey, that's way too close. And by the way, guys, eventually, I think I might, tomorrow, I'm going to be
Think we're gonna
posting
miss
a
this
video of us making crunchy slime. So stay tuned for that, because
No, guys, I
it's
misunderstand.
going to be very
Glow in the dark. Let me redo that clip. But guys, it is glow in the dark. I just redid that because we don't know how to redo it. So yeah. I thought this was metallic. But guys, glow in the dark.
Eventually, guys, I will be adding the food coloring because the shaving cream fixes it, but it turns its color lighter than you originally want it to be. So you're gonna have to eventually, Bailey, you're gonna have to eventually add food coloring if you can't find any, because you might not want your slime to look like this. Or paint. Paint honestly really works really well. This one needs some kneading to do because it's just being like that. So guys, anyways, I think that's a wrap. I have showed you today how to fix old slimes, and this one I think looks really good. Stay tuned for more Slime Time Saturdays, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.